Hello everyone, this video is all about schedule activity dashboard. So this module provides a dashboard for scheduled activities in Odoo. It helps user to track, manage and organize the task efficiently in one place. So let's go into the setting, and under setting we have user and company. We go into the user and in Michelle. Let's suppose right now I have given access of activity manager under the activity manager options, and we go into the dashboard. Here we have activity management dashboard, and here right now Michelle can see each and every activity scheduled by any employee. Either it is his own activity or by created by Mark. Then he has access of the dashboard, in which he can see future activity history, today activity and the late activity. Let's suppose he click on the late activity, he can see all the dashboards, and today activity he can directly fetch into the dashboard. And in under activity, he has all activity, activity tags and my team activity. In all activity he can see all the activities, and in activity tag he can create whatever tag he want to create. Let's suppose I have created one which is test one, then email, and any activity tags whatever he want to create he can create. And in my team activity he can see all the activities from his team. And now let's suppose we give Michelle admin access of just normal user, we don't give a manager access. We go into the activity management again, and here you can see Michelle don't have access of the dashboard. And under activity, he has only two options, which is all activity and activity tags. Right from here he can again create activity tags. In all activity, Michelle can see only his own activities, not any other employee's activity. So this is all about this module. If you have any doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.